Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make protein powder for a 1-year-old baby. First, always consult your pediatrician before introducing any new foods or supplements to your little one. Their guidance is crucial for your baby's health and safety. Ensure all ingredients are fresh, organic, and free from common allergens. We want to provide the best for our babies, so quality is key. Start with very small quantities to observe for any sensitivities or reactions. Now, let's talk about choosing the right ingredients. For a 1-year-old, focus on easily digestible options like lentils, quinoa, and oats. These provide excellent protein without being too harsh on their developing digestive system. You can also incorporate healthy fats from nuts or seeds, like almonds or pumpkin seeds, but remember to use them in moderation and ensure they are finely ground. Always avoid ingredients that could be choking hazards. Preparing this homemade protein powder is quite simple. First, lightly roast or dry your chosen ingredients. This step helps enhance their flavor and makes them easier for your baby to digest. Next, grind all the ingredients into a very fine powder using a clean, dry blender or food processor. The finer, the better. Finally, sieve the powder to remove any larger particles, ensuring a smooth, consistent texture that is safe and pleasant for your little one to consume. Proper storage is essential to maintain freshness. Store your homemade protein powder in an airtight container in a cool, dry place. It should stay fresh for up to 2 weeks. When serving, mix 1 to 2 teaspoons of the powder into your baby's purees, porridges, or smoothies. Remember, moderation is key. Do not exceed 2 teaspoons daily, and always monitor your baby's intake and any reactions. Enjoy providing this nutritious boost to your little one.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.